planning to buy an OLED TV but nothing out there was big enough for you, LG has a treat, the world's first 8K, 88-inch OLED display. The TV has a 7680x4320 pixel resolution, and that's all LG shared in terms of specs at this point. Given that it's an OLED, though, we can expect deep blacks, vivid colors, and wide viewing angles. Also, the TV has very slim borders. 4K OLED screens are getting more affordable, and 4K content is getting more common. But it's still hardly the norm for TVs, so you really don't need to be thinking about making the switch to 8K resolution right now. Even so, CES is a chance to see companies push the limits of how big, crisp, and beautiful a screen can look, and this is an early glimpse of what we'll be seeing next week. The largest OLED screen was at 77 inches and they were offered in 4K resolution. Brands like LG, Sony, and Panasonic already offer 77-inch TVs. Meanwhile, Samsung shifted from OLED to QLED panels last year, making LG Display the only large-sized OLED display maker in the game. At CES 2017, Samsung unveiled 3 QLED TVs, the Q9, Q8 and Q7. The company has claimed that its QLED TVs are better than OLED TVs. We expect to see a few new QLED TVs from Samsung at this year's CES as well.